and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a smoothie. What is a smoothie? Well, let's find out. To make a smoothie, you need some fresh or frozen fruit. You need some vegetables. You need some liquid, some ice, and a blender. There are many things that you can add to a smoothie, but today we're going to keep it simple. So let's look at what I'm going to put into my smoothie. I have a banana. I have some strawberries, 5 or 6. I have a bunch of spinach. I have a cup of frozen pineapple. I have a mango, and for my liquid I have coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk because I have some tropical fruit and it's going to be delicious. Let's get started. To begin, you need a blender. A blender will mix your fruit and vegetables together with your liquid to make a smoothie. Before we begin, we have to prepare our fruit. I have a mango and we need to peel the mango. So I need a cutting board, a knife, and my fruit peeler. To peel the mango, first cut off any imperfections and set aside. Okay, we are slicing our mango. Now we need to peel the skin. You can see how it is being peeled. Okay. Peeling the entire mango. The mango is slippery and it smells fresh. Okay. We want to make sure we get all of the skin, the peel, off. Now we need to cut the mango. But what you don't know, inside the mango there is a pit and it is hard. So we need to cut away from the pit. So let's slice the mango and you can slice along the pit. Okay, slice. Cut that off. It is a bit slimy, so hold on. So inside there is a pit. You don't need the pit. Now that our fruit and vegetables are prepared, let's make our smoothie. Mango. Let's put the mango into the smoothie, into the blender. Strawberries. Put the strawberries into the blender. Take the bunch of spinach and put it into the blender. Our cup of frozen pineapple into the blender. Look how beautiful that looks. Peel the banana. So we're going to peel the banana and put it into the blender. Now, let's add our ice, our coconut milk, and we're going to add a little bit more water just to give it a nice consistency. Let's put on the lid and blend. Okay, so our smoothie is ready. Now the color is yellow, maybe from the mango combined with the banana, a little bit green because of the spinach, but let's see how it tastes. It's thick. It does taste tropical. It's a sweet, delicious, healthy drink. So there you go. This is how you make a smoothie. Thanks for stepping out of the classroom and into the kitchen with me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.